हेलो आरव।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन यार, आपने इस टेन्योर का अभी तक का सबसे हाईएस्ट पैकेज क्रॉस करा है। कैसा लग रहा है?
I took only one platform, that is LeetCode. From that day to this day, I practiced on LeetCode. So I'm grateful to Galgotia's HOD sir and all the teachers who gave me this opportunity to sit in the placement of Autodesk. Obviously, I won't interact with people.
Okay.
And I believe if you won't interact with people, you won't get to know the things. I guess LinkedIn was a blessing to me.
Okay. जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने इनिशियली फर्स्ट ईयर या 12th से ही कोडिंग स्टार्ट करनी थी और आप जिन्होंने सेकेंड ईयर के एंड में स्टार्ट करी, दे आर स्टिल ऑन दी रेस.
The day I decided that I will start data structure, from that day I maintained the consistency. In starting सब कुछ तो मुश्किल ही होता है, लगता है कि नहीं कर पाएंगे. मुझे लगता था मैं कभी नहीं कर पाऊंगी. सीरियसली बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स आते थे, मैं सब में भरती थी, पर उतना हेल्दी ऑफ कैंपस रिस्पॉन्स तो नहीं आया.
For the current aspirants, this phase of life is very crucial for you all. लाइफ में ऐसी बहुत चीजें होती है जो कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करी जाती. डू यू एग्री विद दैट? If you do, then please show your engagement by subscribing the channel. Myself Arav Gupta, the founder of College Pronouns, and let's welcome today Niharika Sharma, who is an undergrad from Galgotias and recently achieved a revolutionary package of this tenure. Hello Di.
हेलो आरव.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन यार, आपने इस टेन्योर का अभी तक का सबसे हाईएस्ट पैकेज क्रॉस करा है. कैसा लग रहा है?
I'm feeling very good. It's like a dream come true for me.
सुधी, आपको क्या लगता है आपका कौन सा स्किल सेट इस अचीवमेंट में मेजर रोल प्ले करता है?
I think data structures and OOPS and all the concepts of C++.
ओके. आपने कैसे प्रिपेयर करी है सारी चीजें?
Actually, first year तो I was fully dedicated towards my semester exams. I was not that much into the coding. I never knew about that. That for the companies you have to crack the coding things, something like that. But in second year, I know actually my sis is also a software engineer, and she told me about LinkedIn. And with the help of LinkedIn, I got connected with various people, and they told me that you should study data structure, focus on that, OOPS concept, DBMS, SQL. So from the second sem of second year, like that is the fourth semester, I started learning C++. Like there are various YouTube channels as well. And by learning initial C++, I started with HackerRank. And from that, people told me to go on LeetCode and GFG like platforms. So I took only one platform, that is LeetCode. From that day to this day, I practice on LeetCode.
आई थिंक लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स फ्लक्चुएट्स इटसेल्फ की लीड कोड, हैकर रैंक और बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं. लाइक फ्रॉम योर पर्सपेक्टिव, एक प्लेटफॉर्म को हमें एंड तक कंटिन्यू करना चाहिए. ये तो बात हो गई, थोड़े से आपने मैटर्स बता दिए कहाँ से आप पढ़े हो. दी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, आर यू ग्रेटफुल टू बी इन गलगोटिया जिसने आपको ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया?
Yes, I am grateful to Galgotia's HOD sir and all the teachers who gave me this opportunity to sit in the placement of Autodesk. It's because of them today I am here, got placed in Autodesk.
आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर तनिष्क भैया थे जिन्होंने ऑटोडेस्क के हाईएस्ट पैकेज लिया था, एंड दिस टाइम 39 lakhs जो आपका लगा है और बाकी 3 स्टूडेंट्स का लगा है. दी, आप अपना इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस डिस्कस करो कि कैसे कैसे आपके राउंड्स हुए थे, कैसे आपने उसको कंप्लीट करा, क्या क्या आपसे पूछा गया था?
Actually, the first thing that happened, that is the OA. That is usually happened for all the companies. Certain first criteria is only OA. After OA, near about 11 to 12, I don't remember the correct number, but this much student got selected. And what I noticed, it was about the people who have done 3 or 4 questions. There were total of 4, and out of that, who have done 3 to 4 questions, they got selected. After that,
The questions were like,
questions were data structures based only, like arrays, string, and it was like the first one is very easy, the second one a little bit tough, third one more tough, and fourth one is more little bit more tough. Like it's my point of view, what I thought, seeing the questions. And then talking about that, the next day interview got scheduled. There were 3 rounds in total. And the first round was two rounds for technical rounds, and after then third was HR round. In first technical round, they asked the technical questions only. Actually, what I observed, they were more focused what you have written in resume. Whatever you have wrote in resume, according to that, they will ask. And like I have written, I have made a project using MERN. So they asked me about MongoDB, Node.js, and I have worked with Git and GitHub. So they asked me commands of Gits, and moreover, I have worked with HTML, CSS. So they said to write the code for the CSS, and they asked me one DSA question, like for the linked list. They asked one question. I told the approach, and she also told me to write one code while sharing the screen. I did that, and she asked the time complexity as well. I gave the answer. Then this was all about in first. I guess whatever you wrote in resume, you should know that at least basic. You should know. You should not like you should mention the things you don't know about. The things you have mentioned, you should have knowledge about that. Then in this way, the first round got over. Then coming to the second round, a second round was also a technical round. They basically focused on OOPS and advanced C++ questions. It wasn't like that interviewer wasn't helping me. They were very good. They were like think more. They were forcing like this. They were helping like this. Then they basically ask OOPS related question, C++ advanced, as I said. Then they give said me to write a code for the composition, like inheritance and composition is also there. They told me to write a code for that. And in my what happened to me that in my second round only the HR came, and he asked the second round interviewer that is she qualified for the third round. He said yes. So I directly went for the third round. That interview got connected, and previous interviewer leave the meeting. In third round, there was a HR round. So he basically asked about my background, and he told me that you are interested in this, and told me about the location, about the Autodesk. Like he asked, you know about Autodesk? I said yes, I know about Autodesk, but I know the general view that what Autodesk do, produce products, manufacturing. It does. I want to know more about Autodesk. So what he did, he gave me a brief information what we actually do in Autodesk, and he asked about my siblings, my parents, or in the last I it was very HR not was didn't go for very long. It was like a very interactive. Like they were. It's not like I was not fearing. I was not afraid with him. He was so yeah. It was so interactive with him. He was so good. That's all. And this way, at 5 or 4 p.m., I guess I got the result that
Guys, video is divided into chapters. You can go through in any chapter in which you are interested. So, you told us that you had started your coding journey in fourth semester. Do you think it is late?
yeah, actually, I do feel it late, but actually, previously, I won't interact with people.
Okay.
And I believe if you won't interact with people, you won't get to know the things. That's the reason I started late. I actually didn't knew that I have to do data structures. So I guess LinkedIn was a blessing to me.
Okay.
By asking to various people, even the seniors of Galgotias too. I asked them, and everyone, as I told, said the same.
खुद ही कंपेयर तो करना नहीं चाहिए वैसे किसी को, बट मैं आपसे फिर भी पूछना चाहता हूँ, जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने इनिशियली फर्स्ट ईयर या 12 से ही कोडिंग स्टार्ट कर दी थी और आप जिन्होंने सेकेंड ईयर के एंड में स्टार्ट करी, दे आर स्टिल ऑन द रेस, तो ऐसा आपने क्या उनसे अलग करा जो
I believe the day I decided that I will start data structure, from that day I maintained the consistency. I daily did one questions no matter what I am able to think or not. Like I took nearly about 15 minutes. If I won't know if I am not able to write the code, I took help. Like there is a discussion tab in the lead code, and as well as with the help of YouTube channel also, I गेट टू नो द सोल्यूशन ऑफ दैट। लाइक इन स्टार्टिंग सब कुछ तो मुश्किल ही होता है, लगता है कि नहीं कर पाएंगे। एक्चुअली व्हेन आई फर्स्ट विजिट द लीड कोड साइट, मुझे लगता था मैं कभी नहीं कर पाऊँगी, सीरियसली इतना टफ लगती थी मुझे चीज़ें। फिर मैंने सोचा ट्राई करते हैं, धीरे धीरे कभी ना कभी तो कुछ तो होगा यार। तो मैंने फिर ऐसे ही करा और डेली एक क्वेश्चन तो करती ही करती थी, चाहे मुझे दिमाग लग रहा है नहीं लग रहा है, तब भी मैं अगर नहीं लग रहा है तो मैं सोल्यूशन देख के समझती थी चीज़ों को।
क्योंकि आपने एकेडमिक्स के साथ साथ इवेंट्स फेस्ट वगैरह में भी पार्टिसिपेट करा था गलगोटियाज में।
तो मैंने इवेंट्स में मैं गई हूँ, लाइक देयर आर GDSC इवेंट्स, तो मैं उसमें जाती थी। और एक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज्योर का भी हुआ था जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस में हुआ था, तो मैं वहाँ पे भी गई थी। इट वॉज मैं ऐसे इसलिए कर रही थी बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड द कनेक्टिविटी with the peoples, like as I said, if you won't interact with people you won't get to know the new things in life.
नेटवर्क इज योर नेटवर्क।
Yes.
अच्छा, तो आप बेसिकली इवेंट्स भी टेक्निकली ही करते थे, फुल डेडिकेटेड, फुल कंसिस्टेंट एंड डेडिकेटेड कि इवेंट्स में भी टेक्निकली में ही जाना है। तो ठीक है, हैकाथॉन्स वगैरह क्या ये मतलब मेजर पार्ट होता है आपकी ओवरऑल जर्नी में, आपकी ग्रोथ में?
Actually first year and second year was online mode, so I didn't got the exposure of hackathons, but मुझे लगा कि एक बार पार्ट लेके देखते, मैंने कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया था, लेट एक्सप्लोर दिस फील्ड ऑल्सो। तो मैंने फोर्थ ईयर में एक्चुअली हैकाथॉन में अपना, नहीं एक्चुअली फर्स्ट हैकाथॉन तो मैंने थर्ड ईयर के एंड में दिया है। इट वॉज IMT माइंड इंस्टॉलर हैकाथॉन एंड इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट हैकाथॉन, and in that I was top 10 participant among 250, and it was my first. I was feeling good, I like I should explore that. Then I participated in one hackathon of this also, Galgodias, but that didn't go well. Then recently I have taken part in SIH as well in fourth year only.
दी ऑटोडेस्क से पहले कितनी कंपनीज आपने एक्सप्लोर करी?
मैंने जितने भी फॉर्म्स आते थे ऑफ कैंपस में सब में अप्लाई तो करती थी, पर रिस्पॉन्स आई डोंट नो नहीं आता था उतना। तो कुछ लाइक जो मैंने हैकाथॉन अभी IMT वाला दिया था, तो उनके जज जो थे उन्होंने मुझे अपने ऑफिस में कॉल किया था। उन्होंने रिसेंटली अपना वो खोला है बिजनेस, जिसमें वो जॉब्स ही देते हैं, टेक रिलेटेड नॉन टेक रिलेटेड। सो ही कॉल्ड मी इन हिज ऑफिस और उन्होंने वर्क का मुझे वो दिया था, बट एज इट वॉज ऑफलाइन और उस समय मेरा थर्ड ईयर था, तो आई डिडेंट गो विद दैट। एंड मोर ओवर लाइक नो मैटर वॉट एवर द, ऐसा नहीं है कि जैसे कि बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स आते थे, मैं सब में भरती थी, पर उतना हेल्दी ऑफ कैंपस रिस्पॉन्स तो नहीं आया। और मैंने स्टार्ट भी थोड़ा लेट ही करा, उसके लिए भी मैंने थर्ड ईयर के एंड में थोड़ा बहुत डालना शुरू किया, और फोर्थ ईयर में तो अभी भी मैं डाल ही रही हूँ।
द एंडिंग पार्ट ऑफ आवर सेशन, कोई फेवरेट मेमोरी गलगोटियाज की आपकी?
आई थिंक आई एम लिविंग इट टुडे।
दैट्स अमेजिंग। क्या फ्यूचर प्लान्स हैं आपके?
Actually, not very much decided, but initially I want to be a software developer, and in future goals, it is like my secondary thought that I will go for the entrepreneurship.
Thank you, Niharika ji, for gracing us with your presence. You are really an amazing motivation for all the students. Best of luck.